If you've ever wondered why your plants struggle despite your best efforts, you're not alone. Gardening can be incredibly rewarding, but small mistakes can lead to weak, dying plants instead of the lush, thriving garden you envisioned. The good news? Most plant problems come down to a few common errors, ones you can easily avoid with the right knowledge. Before we dive in, I have one small request. Please don't skip the ads. Watching them helps me grow this channel so I can keep sharing valuable gardening tips with you. And if you find this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your fellow gardeners. Now let's get into the biggest mistakes that could be sabotaging your garden. You can give your plants all the water, sunlight, and fertilizer in the world, but if your soil is poor, your garden will struggle. Soil health is everything. Yet many gardeners neglect to improve their soil, leading to weak plants with yellowing leaves, poor growth, and low yields. Many gardeners don't notice pest infestations or plant diseases until the damage is severe. By the time you see holes in leaves, wilting stems, or yellow patches, the problem has already taken hold. Prevention is always easier than trying to fix an outbreak. Gardening is a learning process, and mistakes happen. But by avoiding these 5 common errors, you'll set your plants up for success and save yourself frustration down the road. Water wisely, choose the right location, build healthy soil, use fertilizers carefully, and stay on top of pest and disease prevention. With these habits in place, you'll have a thriving, productive garden that rewards you season after season. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more expert gardening tips. And don't forget to share this video with fellow gardeners. Let's help each other grow. Happy gardening!